El Salvador is located in the zone known as the Pacific Ring of Fire. That is why many earthquakes occur in this country. El Salvador is recognized because it has many volcanoes. These are the most important: Apanca, Ilamapec, Izalco, Chinchopec, Tecapa, Chaparastique, Conchagua. Apanca is located in Apanca Range. Quianosal Range is a group of EW trending stratovolcanos and geothermal areas located in western El Salvador, between the Santa Ana complex and the Guatemala border, about 6 kilometers SE of Ahuachapan town. The volcanoes are basaltic to andesitic and Pleistocene and Holocene in age. Ilamapec, located in the department of Santa Ana, this colossus has an altitude of 2381 meters above sea level, the highest in El Salvador. Its last eruptions occurred in 2005. This volcano is part of the Los Volcanes complex in the Apanca mountain range, within a tropical mountainous cloud forest, in a coffee-growing region, about 65 kilometers west of the capital city. Izalco is an active stratovolcano too on the side of the Santa Ana volcano, which is located in western El Salvador. It is situated on the southern flank of the Santa Ana volcano. Izalco erupted almost continuously from 1770, when it formed, to 1958, earning it the nickname of Lighthouse of the Pacific, and experienced a flank eruption in 1966. Chinchantepec, San Vicente, also known as Chichantepec or Las Chichas, is a stratovolcano in central El Salvador. It is located next to the town of San Vicente, hence the name, and is the second highest volcano in El Salvador. In the indigenous language Nahuatl, Chichantepec means the mountain of the two breasts, because its double summit resembles a woman's bosom. The volcano has two craters, one located in each summit, although not exactly at the top. Dense vegetation covers both summits. Numerous hot springs and fumaroles are found on the northern and western flanks of the volcano. To the northeast, at 820 meters in a ravine of 180 meters longitude, there are fumaroles, fountains of clear and muddy water, or small volcanoes of mud. Tecapa volcano, a complex basaltic to andesitic stratovolcano in east-central El Salvador. It is located at the NW end of a cluster of volcanoes, east of the Rio Lempa, between San Vicente and San Miguel volcanoes. The crater of Tecapa Laguna de Alegria contains a deep notch on the eastern rim and is filled by Laguna de Alegria crater lake. The Tecapa volcanic complex currently displays fumarolic activity, and a producing geothermal plant is located at the Berlin G. Chaparastique, San Miguel in El Salvador, also locally known as Chaparastique, is a broad, deep crater complex that has been frequently modified by eruptions recorded since the early 16th century. Flank eruptions have produced many lava flows, including several during the 17th to 19th centuries, that extended to the N, NE, and SE. Eruptive activity during February 2020 consisted of small ash emissions with weak thermal anomalies, BGVN 45-3. This report covers explosive activity during November 2022. Conchagua, also known as Cache, is a stratovolcano in southeastern El Salvador, overlooking the Gulf of Fonseca. Cerro del Acote and Cerro de la Bandera are the two main summits, with Bandera appearing younger and more conical. See photo. There are active fumarolic areas on both peaks, but no confirmed historical eruptions. It is surrounded by forest called Bosque Conchagua. Conchagua, in Native American indigenous Salvadoran Lenca language, means flying jaguar.